Hello everyone. Now we are checking this ST1000NM0033 patient hard drive data recovery cases. Now we can check this is a family. For this kind of hard drive firmware repair and data recovery, the very first thing is to write unlock ROM. But one thing is important, that is we need to use one common repair solution here. This one, unlock diagnostic mode for these two families. After that, we can try to check within the COM terminal and to see if we can execute the repair commands successfully. This one is important. If we don't use the common solution and we cannot edit SYS file, and we can try to clear the V4 first, and then we can try to regenerate the translator. Now we need to wait a little bit. Please remember, for this family we need to use the unlock the diagnostic port. So to unlock the firmware error fully, we need to run two steps. One is to unlock within the COM terminal to send unlock key, and the second is to go to this menu common functions and common repair, and then unlock the diagnostic mode for these two families. After that, we can try to execute the command for the translator regeneration. So please pay attention to this tip, and it's very helpful for these two families. And this patient drive has the capacity 0, and after we regenerate the translator, we can try to check the result and see if the capacity 0 is fixed or not. Anyway, before we run the repair commands in this COM terminal, and we need to go to the edit SYS file to back up this nglist, or we can go to the SA operations and to read the SYS files. To select the most important SYS files to back up. Okay, now we can see we have already regenerated the translator successfully. Now we can try to power off and power on this patient drive to see if the firmware issue has been fixed or not. Now we can try to exit the program, and then we can enter the software again without power off. Right now, let's check again. We can see the capacity has been normal, so we enter the software, and then we can try to check the data arrow to see if the data arrow is fully accessible or not. Now we just need to check the ending part of the LBA to make sure the data arrow is accessible. So let's check. Now we can see that after translator regeneration, the data arrow has been accessible. So this means the firmware repair has been successful. And right now we can see this is SATA 0, and we can go to the DFL panel and open the DFL DDP data recovery software. Now let's try to set up one new project for this patient Seagate drive. Next step, and we can try the file extraction. For this drive, we can try to scan master partitions and see if we find the master partition. It's ext3. So we can try to scan and see. After we find its master partitions, we just select the found partitions and then click Save Selected. After this one, we will get our master partitions back. Thank you for watching the video.